Hello, cheerful morning children. So today we are going to see a beautiful topic which is in grammar. So do you all love to see this teddy bear? Yes, see, this is a beautiful teddy bear which is in my hand. I love to play with this teddy bear. Yes, but what to do? This teddy bear is not belongs to me. This is Yalini's teddy bear. This teddy bear belongs to Yalini's. This is not my teddy bear. Children, I have brought one more teddy bear which is in red color. So I too love this teddy bear very much. But what to do? This teddy bear also not belongs to me. This teddy bear is Ajin's teddy bear. This teddy bear is Ajin's teddy bear. The thing which belongs to somebody is known as a possessive noun. Let's learn more about this topic, children, today. Hello friend, look! The dog belonging to Sia is so big. Oh dear, sure, but why do you always complicate things? So, do you know any better way to say it? Yes, I do. Instead of saying dog belonging to Sia, you could have simply said Sia's dog. This form of noun is called possessive noun as it shows something belonging to someone. An apostrophe plays an important role here. Let's see how. Hello friends, I am an possessive apostrophe. I say what belongs to whom. I am called apostrophe. Children, are you all ready to learn an interesting grammar topic? Yeah, here we go. Possessive noun. Look at the following sentences Ricky uses to tell about things that belong to his friends. This is Natasha's skirt. This is Tom's hat. This is Dan's photograph. This is Nikki's cat. He uses apostrophe S, a special sign to talk about these things. It is called an apostrophe and S. A noun can show what it owns or possesses. We add an apostrophe S to a noun to show ownership. A noun that shows ownership or relationship is a possessive noun. For example, the cat's dish. The apostrophe S shows that the dish is belong to one's cat. The cat's dish. A possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. For example, Tom's hat. Certain rules are followed to form possessive noun. Let's see to it. We add an apostrophe S to make a singular noun possessive. Cats, boys, Toms. Example, the witch's broom. We add only an apostrophe to make a plural noun ending in S, possessive. Boys, dogs, girls. The witch's broom. We add an apostrophe S to a plural noun that does not end in S to make it possessive. For example, the deer's antlers. Dear, now you know what is possessive noun. Can you repeat quickly what we learned? Yes, why not? The possessive form of nouns shows something belong to someone. We make use of an apostrophe to show possession. For singular noun, use apostrophe S. For example, lion's den, uncle's umbrella, and so on. For plural nouns ending in S, only use apostrophe. Examples: the sailor's boat, baby's cry, and so on. For plural nouns not ending in S, use apostrophe S. Examples: women's songs, men's dance. Hey, I understood very clearly. Yes, very good friend, you have understood very clearly. Thank you friend. I will meet you in the next session. Bye. Children, be safe at home. St. Joseph Public School CBSE is there to help you for the effective learning. Thank you.